Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can actually use Canva to design your flyers, banners, your YouTube thumbnail, and other designs that you actually want to do. Now, it is important to know that Canva is a built-in website where you have various kinds of templates, and these templates can be easily customized to your best knowledge or to your best taste. Now, one thing it's important to know about Canva also is that it is a free website and also has a pro version. That simply means that there are some templates you'll not be able to download or you'll not be able to make use of until you are subscribed to their monthly plan or yearly plan. Or maybe you've actually bought the one-time payment where you don't have to pay monthly or yearly again. Now, but it's very important to know that you can virtually use this website to design your product or to design your flyers for free. Now, this is based on the fact that Canva has actually helped many people like me and just go onto the website and look for templates and do drag and drop, and then before you know, I'm through with my designs. I'll be showing you some of the flyers I've done before. Let me go to my gallery. Go to Now you can actually see the YouTube thumbnail here. Thumbnail, I designed it with Canva. You see this one here. I designed it with Canva. Let me actually click them. You see the YouTube thumbnail. I designed it with Canva. You see this, how to write an ebook in 7 days or less, and Amazon publishing. I designed it using Canva. And you see this YouTube thumbnail also, I also designed it using Canva. This logo, I designed it using Canva. This banner, I designed it using Canva. Same thing with this logo for my VTU and so many forth. And I'll also be showing you some of, you can actually see this video that I did that I normally use for my, you can actually see it. I designed this video using Canva. So it is important to not actually use it for many designs. And it's important to know that when you begin to use this Canva for your design, you will be able to save yourselves the stress of using other platforms. You can actually see this business flyer. I designed it using Canva for my ebook creation. And so it is important to actually know that Canva is very important. And the first thing you need to do is to click. I actually have the Canva on my phone. You can actually see it here how it looks. But if you do not know have Canva on your phone, all you just need to do is hover to your Play Store or whatever phone you are using, and then click on it, and boom, this is it. You can actually see it here. And all you need to do is to click on download, but because I have it on my phone, I can only click on update and then log in the app. And so let's log into the Canva and see the interface. If you are new to my channel, do make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's very important because it keeps you up to date, and then you'll be learning new things like web designing, mini importation, how to design using Canva and other software, how to record your phone screen, laptop screen, and other tips and tricks. And I virtually teach many things, but it's important to know that I focus on web designing using WordPress, content creation, and digital marketing. Now, this is the interface of Canva using your phone. If you have watched my subsequent video, I use my laptop to actually uh, create a video like this, and the interface was quite different because you're using a laptop. But this is the interface for your phone, and you can actually see from here. Virtually, you can see from here. You have your social media. Let's say you want to create a social media post, picture. You have your video. You have your presentation, and so forth. And then let's click on, you can actually see the templates that you can actually click videos and customize. Now, let's say for instance, you want to search. Let's say I need to create a Facebook post. So let me say Facebook. And then you can actually see from here, college Facebook covers, Mother Day Facebook posts, and so forth. Let's say I need a Facebook post. So you search. So you can see from here you have various Facebook posts. This size or customized size we go with Facebook. It's important to know that every social media have their own dimension. The dimension for YouTube thumbnail is not the same thing that you will use on Facebook. So Facebook have their own dimension, and Twitter and so forth. Every social media platform have their dimension. So it's important that when you want to design anything, make sure you are searching for the social media you are trying to use. So let's say for instance, I want to click on this template. Let's say for instance, I actually want to click on this template, advice to my younger self, and then I click on it. I'll just have to wait for it to load, and then you can see from the downside here you have some templates here. You have design, you have element, you have text, then you have gallery, and so forth. You can actually see here you have brand, you have brand, you have upload, you have draw, you have project, and so forth. So let's say for instance you just want to design the text, and all you need to do is you can actually choose. Let's say for instance I want to write be good to your, okay, let's say for instance you just want to drag this, click on it, drag it, and then you make sure that you have the dimension. All you need to do is to click on this, and then you are able to drag it to expand the line. Let's say for instance you want to expand it, you can click on this, and then you are able to expand it. And then let's say to be good to your younger self. And then when you want to download this picture, all you just need, let's say for instance you want to add a picture. Let me say I want to add a picture. All I need to do is I have a picture in my gallery, and I actually want to upload it here on Canva. Upload files, and then when you click on upload files, and then you can actually, depending on the phone you're using, so I go here, I click on this, and then I can click on my gallery, and then I'll be able to see the pictures I want to actually select. So you see, let's say for instance I want to upload this picture. I just click on it, and then you see it start uploading. So guys, you can actually see it here that the picture is uploading. So after the picture have finished uploading, you click on the picture, and then you can actually see from here, okay, let's say I want to expand it just like I showed you before. You can click on it. I want to show my face here, so click down, bring it here like this. Guys, you can actually see that you can actually, let's say for instance I want to change the background color. I just click on the background, so you can actually see, then you click on here, color, and then you click on it, and then you are able to select the kind of color you want. You can actually go with this. So after you are through, then you hover on this, click on this icon here to download it. So you click on download, and then you can download that. You can download it as a PNG. You can also download it as a PNG. You can download it as a JPEG. You can download this as a PDF standard, PDF print. But important, since it's a picture, you download it as a PNG or a JPG. So after you click on that, you just click on download. And guys, your picture have been downloaded. So you can go to your phone. Let's say for instance, you actually want to confirm if it has been downloaded. So you can actually see it here. That I have downloaded it. So let's go back to the platform and see how we can use it for other things. Let's say for instance, I can click on home. Let's say you want to design a flyer for your business. So you can simply come back to this search and click on flyer, click on search. You can actually see different flyers you can use for your business. So there's something I want you to notice. You can see from here, this one they wrote pro, and same thing with this pro. And then when I scroll down from here, you can actually see that they don't actually write anything here. That simply means whichever flyer you see pro like this, it means that you have to pay to actually use such flyer. But any flyer you didn't see anything like this, it means that it is free. You can actually use it for free. So it's important to note that. So you click on the flyer just like we did in the first picture. All you just need to do is to do drag and drop and change the text. Let's say you want to change the text, or you want to bring your picture. Let's say this cycle here, you want to remove this picture. All you need to do is to click on this delete here. So it will ask you want to delete the image or you want to delete the frame. So depending on what you want to do, if you want to delete the image, you can actually delete the image. If you want to delete the frame, you can actually delete the frame. The frame is this cycle here. You can actually see it. The cycle here is a frame. So let's say for instance, I just want to delete the image. I can just click on delete. If you want to upload just like we did before, you can upload. But let me say I want to replace that image with this image. So you can actually see it. So guys, depending on you can change the text, you can change the background color and so forth. Let's say you want to design your YouTube banner or thumbnail. So you can still come to search and type YouTube thumbnail and then click on search. Just like I've said before, you can actually see the picture dimensions are not the same. When I search for business flyer, when I searched for Facebook post, and then you can actually see the banner, you can see that they are not the same. See all the sizes. You can see because this is YouTube thumbnail, you can actually see the dimensions are the same. So make sure you know what you are searching for and the kind of design you want to do, and you want to post which platform, which social media do you want to actually make use of. And then let's say for instance you want to create a YouTube banner. Let's say for instance you don't know what a YouTube banner is. Let's go and click on YouTube. Let me show you and go to my okay. Now you can actually see here, this is a YouTube banner. You can see it here. This is a YouTube banner. Guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please do ensure you subscribe to this channel. It motivates me to actually create a new video. So this is a YouTube banner. So you come back to here, your Canva, and type YouTube banner. Now you can actually see that it's not the same with the other one. You can see that this is where you can only customize. You can see here. This is where you can only customize so that it will fit in all the issue, all the devices that you'll be using, mobile or phone or desktop. So you can see here, you can only customize this area, this image, this text. So within this confine, this is where you are to customize. Because if we move out of this, it will not be able to show. So you are not to use the whole, you can't use this place and this place. You can only make use of here, like this, sorry, and then design. And you upload, you'll be able to show. So guys, if you actually got value from this video, please ensure you subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned, hit the notification bell, comment below. And if you want me to create video on any topic on Canva, please just make sure you write it down below. And in my next video also, I'll be showing you how to use Canva to record your phone screen or your laptop screen.